Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel Priyanka Edu Advisor, and I am Priyanka Chauhan, MSc Botany Gold Medalist, having 11 years of teaching experience, and my aim of making videos on YouTube is to guide and motivate millions of students in their studies across the globe. My videos are helpful for all the school students up to class 12th, NEET aspirants, BSc Botany students and MSc Botany students, and I will clear all your concepts and fundamentals of biology. And if you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section and I'll definitely reply. Now in today's video, we will discuss BSc Botany 4th semester syllabus. BSc Botany Semester 1, Semester 2 and Semester 3 syllabus and reference book detailed video are already uploaded on my channel, in which I have discussed all the topics of these 3 semesters plus the reference books which you have to study. All those are uploaded on my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and press the bell button so you get the notifications whenever I upload a new video. Please do subscribe the channel. Now let's start. The paper 1 is development and the embryology of angiosperms. The unit first is flower, a modified shoot, structure, development and symmetry of flowers, functions, structure of anther and pistil, development of male and female gametophytes. These topics you have already studied in your class 11th and 12th. So these are those topics only, and for these topics, if you will refer your book, a textbook of biology by Pradeep's, so that book is sufficient for this. You can study the topics from Pradeep's biology class 11th and 12th book. Unit 2nd is embryology, types of pollination, attractions and rewards for the pollinators. These topics are also given in Pradeep's biology. Pollen pistil interactions, self incompatibility. Some topics you have to study in detail, so you can search for these topics either on the internet. You can get these topics if you don't get topic in that book, or you can search in any other book. Now the third unit is double fertilization, formation of seed, endosperm and embryo, fruit development and maturation, fruit and the seed dispersal strategies, mobilization of stored products during seed germinations. I would recommend you to study all these topics in detail from Pradeep's biology or elementary book of biology, Truman's biology. You can study from that also. You will get the very detailed topics, very elaborative topics you will get in those two books of class 11th and 12th. Now the unit 4 is the structure of the mature seed, dicot and the monocot embryo, significance of the seed, suspended animation and its causes, seed a unit of genetic recombination and a source of replenishment, ecological adaptation in seeds. Unit 5, experimental embryology, nutrient medium, aseptic condition, production of haploids, androgenesis, gynogenosis, importance of haploids, embryo culture, endosperm culture, parthenocarpy and polyembryony, vegetative reproduction, vegetative propagation, grafting and economic aspects. For this unit, you can study the book Elements of Biotechnology by P.K. Gupta. In this, you will get all the topics of these biotechnology. You will get Elements of Biotechnology by P.K. Gupta. Now the next paper is Morphology, Anatomy and the Plant Breeding. The basic body plan of the flowering plants, general body structure, modular type of development, convergence and the evolution of tree habit in the gymnosperms, monocotyledons and dicotyledons, type of trees, largest and the longest trees. So you can study from the any plant morphology book. You can study these topics. You can study some of the topics you will get in Pradeep's biology also. So gymnosperm topic you can study from this Singh Pandey Jain book. You will get in that. Now unit 2nd, morphological diversity in plants due to habit, habitat, diversity in the plant forms, diversity in plants based on the nature of the stem, canopy architecture, factors affecting canopy, cambium and the functions, detailed study cambium and its functions from Pradeep's biology in detail. Now unit third is the shoot system. The shoot apical meristem and its histological organization and its related theories, vascularization of primary shoot in monocots and dicots, formation of internodes, branching pattern, monopodial, sympodial growth, all the topics you will get in Pradeep's biology or Truman's biology. Unit 4th is internal structure of plants, tissues, meristematic tissues, permanent tissues and secretory tissues, tissue system, epidermal tissue system and ground tissue system, formation of secondary xylem, growth ring, heartwood, sapwood and the periderm. All the topics you will get in Pradeep's biology of class 11th and 12th, in which the anatomy and the morphology of plants is given. You will get in that book. And Unit 5 Plant Breeding, Introduction and the Objectives of Plant Breeding, Selection Methods, Mass Line, Pure Line and Clonal, Introduction and the Acclimatization, Hybridization, Hybrid Vigor and Heterosis. These topics you can study from the book. One book is there again of P.K. Gupta, Cytology and Genetics. In that book, Plant Breeding, in that book you will get all these topics: cytology, genetics, evolution and the plant breeding by P.K. Gupta. So plant breeding you will get from this book. So I think I have discussed all the books. First, study Pradeep's biology, plant morphology and anatomy from that book of class 11th 12th, and then some of the topics like plant breeding and biotechnology topic. For this you refer P.K. Gupta book, Elements of Biotechnology by P.K. Gupta, and this for plant breeding also one more book of P.K. Gupta. So you'll get all your topics will be covered. So you just have to study hard, focus on your studies, and you'll definitely score well. Still, you have any queries regarding the syllabus, you can ask me in the comment section. Do write there, and please like the video, share the video and subscribe the video. Thank you so much. Till we meet in the next video.